Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have been not able to post any videos last couple of weeks because I broke my leg, but today I'm gonna try and post a video of this watermelon. So it looks ready, but we're gonna have to go down here and check it out. When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. So been waiting for the last couple of weeks is making sure the bottom of this gets nice and yellow. So it looks nice and yellow, so it's probably very sweet. And not only that, but there's this, based on what I read online, there's this small little vine. It's this one, and once it gets completely dried out, then apparently it's ready to harvest. But this one might not be ready to harvest because they started blooming really late in the season, but it's the biggest one I have, so I'm gonna harvest it because the temperatures have dropped below 70 degrees at night, so you gotta kind of harvest it as soon as possible. So I'm just gonna start by lifting up and chopping off the branch, and there we go. It's one nice watermelon. I'm just gonna pick it up and go inside to kind of cut this apart. So for the rest of the watermelon out here, they're still hiding underneath this grass, so I know they're out here, but they just haven't grown big enough for them to visibly peek through the grass and you can see them. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.